Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I'll show you guys in a second. It is a score keeper, but let's open it up and I'll show you guys what it is. Okay, so here we go. So this is everything you get. So you have a remote control for it. We have the electronic scoreboard user manual, which is all of about a page here, so you can see this is it. If you need it, kind of zoom in, I guess. And there as well. There we go. So that's the thing. We have the scoreboard right here, so you can put this like hanging from the table or whatever. And then we have our buttons to score, I guess for the red and blue will be on either side. We have some mounting hardware, and we have the power adapter. So let's give this thing a go, see what it looks like and how it works. I think it'll reach to my outlet over here. I think so. Let's see what I got plugged in. Okay, so let's plug this puppy in and we'll see how it works. Let's peel off the plastic. Satisfying peel if you like that. And goes in the side here. And there we go. So now we have this. So we'd probably want to mount this into something, a little scorekeeping box, but we'll give you guys an idea of what it is. We have, you can see the buttons here, like on the blues, it has a plus and a minus. So if I do plus, we got 1 point and 2 points and 3 points. And then if we decide, uh-oh, we didn't mean that, we can go to 2 points and 1 point, 0 points. I wonder what happens if we go below that. Can't go below that, but we can just do, if it's a race to see who's gonna win. Come on, blue. But whatever, you get the idea of it. So I will probably mount a little box for these and just a little, I think I'm gonna actually 3D print something because that's what I like to do. So I'm gonna 3D print myself a little box. And then we have this too, is the remote. So let's give this thing a try too. We're gonna need some AAAs. I'll be right back with those. Okay, just put the AAAs in. So let's close this up. Boy, if I can get it lined up. There we go. And we have, it looks like we have a little plastic piece on this as well to peel off. If I can grab it. Sometimes there's just not an easy corner. Oof. There we go. Oh, I had it. There it is. All the buttons. There we go. Okay, so here we go. So if we have our scores here, we have 14 to 11. We can do, so we can give it, you know, one there, one there. So there we can do, what is per? We can change the brightness here. Low, medium, bright, brighter. We can change the volume. So yeah, now we're scoring without sound. Now we're scoring with sound. We can do clear that. We can clear all. I don't know exactly what that does, but we have all the different settings here. So we have, and so it says, you know, guest and home is what, oh, here, I didn't show you, I guess, all the buttons here. So we have G and H, so guest and home. So we can, when we mount this, we can say guest and home, you know, to kind of differentiate which one's which. Let's see, we have, you know, brightness adjustments, buzzers on, guest match score. We can clear home and guest with some of these here, and period. Oh, so we can change the period number. Let's see. I'm not sure what period does. Let's see, it does have the period button. Period 0 to 9. Press once, add a number. Okay, oh, so we can go to period. Have to figure that one out. But it's pretty easy to do. You know, clearing it clears them all. Clear HG So it's there, and clear all. If we could do clear all, clears everything. Yeah. Plus and minus. You can do everything here with the remote. Pretty much do the same things on the buttons if people are sitting at the desk. So I like it. Nice little scoreboard. Super easy to use. On the side we have the the power button went there. This is the button to the remotes. We have those little screw things there. So if we wanted to just put it on a tripod, we could mount it on a tripod and screw them into the side here or something like that, and it would just be mounted and standing up in the middle somewhere, so we don't have to have it attached to a table. So lots of different options with this. It's very cool. I was gonna look around and see if I had a tripod, but the only one I'm using is here, and it doesn't have a screw hole. But it's very cool. So I'm gonna say I like this little scoreboard, and we'll be using this for the kids' games and stuff like that. They play kind of volleyball and stuff just kind of for fun, and actually might even use it outside playing basketball, because hey, why not? Very cool. Thumbs up for me.